I'm checking on the pigeon pea tree today, and I first learned about this shrub when I was in Costa Rica, and I was like, wow, this is so cool that like beans grow on a shrub, and it's like semi-perennial. It lives for a couple years. So I have some here that when you shake them, they make that rattly sound. So those are ripe. They're already dried in the pods. I have other ones that are like nice and green and plump like this. And this is how I like to eat them. You can cook them in the pod like edamame. And then I have some other ones over here that are still kind of soft when you push on them. And so these aren't quite ready to eat yet. You can see there's still flowers here too. So I would let these go a little longer. But quite a few peas here to harvest and save the seed. They're heirloom, grow them again, share them with friends, and have a lot of food. Here's some of the dried out ones, and you can just pinch and they just snap right open and the peas fall out. So you could put these all in a big paper bag and just squish them and let all the peas fall out. There's many varieties. I kind of have these like reddish purple ones here, but there's ones with polka dots and all kinds, and they're all equally good in my opinion. So stay tuned for more gardening videos.